And welcome to Graphic Design. I am Ms. Cynthia, and today I will show you how to download Design Space for Cricut, and I will also show you how to create your very own Design Space account. First, we will need to know that Design Space does require a Windows operating system. So unfortunately, it will not work on the school-issued Chromebooks, but that's okay, because when you do come back to face-to-face school, we will have access to the school computers that are in the library, and they have a Windows operating system. So you will still be able to have all the fun and be able to use all the fun designs that we create. So let's get started. First, we will need to have a search engine. You either use Google Chrome or you use Internet Explorer. Mine is Google, so we'll go ahead and at the top search bar, we're going to type Design Space. See, mine came up, so we'll go ahead and click it. Once it finishes loading, we're going to go ahead and click here where it says Cricut Design Space. Now it says Design Space for Windows, and that's exactly what we need because we do have a Windows operating system. If you already have an account, maybe your mom, your sister, or somebody has already created an account, then you would just click open and go ahead and log in. Since we do not already have Cricut downloaded to our computer, we're going to go ahead and click download. Down here at the bottom, I hope you can see it. It says Cricut Design Space, and this means that it is downloading. And we want to go ahead and click on the drop menu box and make sure that the open when done is checkmarked. So it will open when it is done downloading. And it does take a few minutes depending on the speed of your computer. And that's not something we can control. So just give it a minute and it'll load up when it's done. And because we check marked to open when done, it will automatically open in a new window. So we'll just wait until that happens. I can tell you a little bit about graphic design and this design space for Cricut. What you'll be doing is you'll be cutting templates or actually making a design you can use make shirts, do cups, put it on a tote bag. You can even, if you don't have a Cricut, you can also use just print it on a regular printer on paper. Cut out letters, an image, whatever, and then put it on a poster board. Let's say you have a project that's due and you need something. This is a great tool to make it your own. You don't necessarily have to have a Cricut to cut it out for you. You can print to a computer also. It's taking a few more minutes to finish downloading. Okay, it completed the download. Now it should pop up another window that will say that it's installing. There we go. Hopefully y'all can see this window that says Cricut Design Space Setup. And this will install it on your computer, and you will actually have an icon that'll pop up on your main screen of your computer. Okay, it is loading, and it does say checking for updates. I'm not sure if you can see the screen. I do already have an account for the Cricut. So let me try to sign out and then show you what the screen looks like to sign in. So here you would sign in, and since I already have an account, I don't need to create another one, but you will. You will click Create Cricut ID. Here you'll enter your first name, last name, the country that we live in. You'll hit this drop down box, and at the very top it does say United States. So you would click on that. Enter your email address. Just to keep it easy, you can use your school email address and password. And then you will need to click I agree to the Cricut terms and conditions. And then here, once you enter all that information, this right here, create a Cricut ID, will light up in green and you'll click it. But since I already have an account, I won't do that. I will just click sign in. And I will enter my email address and my password. And click sign in. And this is what the main page looks like. From here, we will be able to create projects, use those projects, those templates to make our cups, shirts, whatever. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.